Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So WhatsApp have added a new feature that you can reshare someone WhatsApp status in your status. And in this video, I will show you how to use this feature. And if this is not showing for you, so what you can do, what you have to do, why reshare option is available for some status and not for some status, I will show you in my mobile screen. So for this, open your WhatsApp account and go to status or update tab. So here you will see for some users the reshare option is there, and for some it is not. For example, I will open this. Here you can see the reshare option is not there. Okay, so if I will show you this, you can see the reshare option is there. If you will click on this, it will be reshared to your WhatsApp status. So this depends upon, like, whenever you are posting a status, for example this one, and if you will click on status contacts, here you will see the option as allow resharing. So if this is enabled, they will see the option. If this is disabled, they will not see the option. I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.